As a career prosecutor and former Attorney General of Florida, I fought corruption, and I know what it looks like, whether it's done by people wearing pinstripe suits or orange jumpsuits.
Hours after his initial nominee for Attorney General withdrew, President-elect Donald Trump announced former Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi as his new choice to lead the Justice Department. The announcement came Thursday evening via Trump's Truth Social platform, the same day that former Representative Matt Gaetz, who had been selected for the role the previous week, stepped down from consideration. "For too long, the partisan Department of Justice has been weaponized against me and other Republicans. Not anymore," Trump wrote. Pam will refocus the DOJ on its true purpose, fighting crime and making America safe again. "I have known Pam for many years. She is smart, tough, and a true America First fighter who will do an excellent job as Attorney General." Bondi was reportedly a contender for the role,